Today, I will be showing you how to create a sphere in Onshape. To begin, start a new sketch on any plane of your choice. Once the sketch is active, select the Circle tool and draw a circle on the sketch plane. This circle will serve as the profile for your sphere. Next, add a straight line that passes directly through the center of the circle. Make sure the line goes from one side of the circle to the other, passing exactly through the middle. This line will later be used as the revolve axis. After that, use the trim tool to remove one side of the circle. Once trimmed, the shape should now look like a half circle or a semicircle. When the sketch is complete, click the check button beside Sketch 1 to finalize and exit the sketch. Now, click on the Revolve feature. Select the semicircle as the shape to revolve. Then, set the Revolve option to a full revolve. For the revolve axis, make sure to select the line you created earlier. Once everything is set correctly, confirm the feature and a sphere will generate. And that's how you create a sphere in Onshape. Thank you for watching.